In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix website link easily and efficiently. This process is straightforward and perfect for anyone looking to share their hard work with friends, family, or clients. Whether your site is in its early stages or fully polished, sharing it with others for feedback or to begin promoting is a key step in your website journey. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Wix account. If you don't already have an account or your credentials handy, take a moment to ensure you're all set up to access your site. Logging in is your gateway to managing your web presence, so you want to make sure you have all the information you need at your fingertips. Once you're logged in, you're going to focus your attention on navigating the Wix interface. At the top of your dashboard, you'll notice an icon in the form of an ellipsis or 3 dots. This is where you'll find additional options that are not immediately visible on the main menu. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu full of useful tasks and actions you can take. From the list of options presented to you, select Get Feedback. This feature is designed to facilitate collaboration and review, allowing others to see your website and give you valuable insights without them needing to be directly involved in its creation or design process. This can be an invaluable tool, especially if you're looking for constructive criticism or just the opinions of people you trust. Next, focus on the Shareable Link section. Here, Wix has made it easy for you by providing a direct link to your site. Look for the option that allows you to copy link and simply click on it. This action immediately copies the website link to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. Whether you're sending it through email, a messaging app, or sharing it on social media platforms, your link is now prepared for distribution. It's important to remember that sharing this link will enable the recipients to view exactly what you see, so make sure your website is in a state that you're comfortable sharing. For those looking for feedback, perhaps set up some specific questions or areas you'd like feedback on to guide your reviewers in providing the most helpful responses. With these steps completed, you're ready to confidently share your website with the world. By following this easy process, you're well on your way to gathering feedback, growing your website, and engaging your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep creating and sharing.